representation ng era na to. I think solo era. Pwede ko na may claim yun? Hindi naman. Siyempre, mas maganda pa rin naman may kasama. So siguro, hindi naman solo talaga, totally, pero mas self-discovery era, self-love era. We're all about talagang exploring the world. I would love to travel more this year. So, ayun, marami talaga. Cafe era actually. Cafe girl ako ngayon.
Mga TikTok cafe.
Yes! Mga cafe era tayo ngayon.
Now, speaking of, again, we do have a couple more food. If I'm
I'm very productive dahil I am currently doing another film na I'm very excited to share with all of you very, very soon. And also, may sisimulan na rin po akong TV show on prime time pretty soon na rin, this March, I think. And as per my personal goals, I am into my fitness era with my team. Jogging. Takbong Barbie lang. Takbong sweet girl lang. Yan, And kung kilala mo ako, girl, sobrang achievement yun. Kasi talagang pag wala kang pag-rest day ko, nakahiga lang talaga ako sa bahay. So, for me to do that, that's 2025. May pinaglalaban talaga siya. Nagagawin ko po sa March is very parang women-centered siya. So, we're gonna talk about fashion, we're gonna talk about women empowerment, sophistication, lahat talaga nandun. And it's gonna be a different Barbie, definitely. A more fashionable, sophisticated Barbie. And I'm very, very excited dahil Pulang Araw was very successful, thankfully. I'm very po, as I am also just beginning to create my daily routine on my free days, ganyan. Siguro so far ang masashare ko on is just to start. I mean, parang listen to yourself, listen to what you need. If you need time alone or if you need time with your friends, go do that. I mean, wala namang maling step eh. You just have to start. So whether it's more into fitness or more into like studies, if you want to go back to study, why not, diba? Or if you want to explore a new career, I mean, wala namang malaki or maliit na step, diba? So you just have to begin. You just have to start doing it, whatever it is that you want to do.
Love that. And of course, how does break